Are you posting videos on TikTok and still not getting any comments? Have you spent hours trying to manually comment just to get attention, but the video still fails? Then don't miss this video. I'll share a secret that will help you get a waterfall of interactions in just a few clicks. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. I'm Wang Mamba Tools. Thank you for coming to my broadcast today. Many sellers on TikTok face the same problem. You post a great video, but the views are low, there are no comments. Without comments, the TikTok algorithm thinks your content is not interesting. You try to manually comment many accounts, but it's tiring and time-consuming. Meanwhile, your competitors' videos are flooded with comments and go viral. And that's why the auto-comment feature of Profile in MKT Tick Pro software was born, to save your time while still keeping the trend steady. Here is MKT Tick Pro, your all-in-one TikTok marketing software. It can manage multiple TikTok accounts, post videos in bulk, support seed comments, seeding, and live stream. And the highlight, profile comments. Let's find out. Step 1. Enter the UID of the target profile you want to comment on. Upload or import a list of comment templates. These templates will change automatically. Select the account you want to use for commenting. Set the speed, the number of comments you want, and how many videos of that personal page you want to comment on. Click Start and let the system do its thing. Suggestions for use. Use seeding accounts to attract interactions from the main video. Comment on competitor videos, attract people to your channel. Combine satellite accounts that comment cross-comment to help build a strong, comprehensive channel. The result? Natural-looking comments. The algorithm loves it. Your videos get promoted to more people. Effective explanation. Random comments help increase the rate of pushing video recommendations. Help build a quality profile, create a sense of prestige. Automate the entire personal marketing process on TikTok. Use it to comment on your competitors' videos, drive traffic to your videos, build credibility, create buzz for your profile. If you're tired of struggling with low engagement on TikTok and want a simple, automated solution, MKT Tick Pro is here. Click the link below in the description for a free demo or contact us on Telegram or WhatsApp. And my video ends here. Thank you everyone for attending today's broadcast. If you find it interesting, please leave me a like, a share, a subscribe. See you all in the next video.